Welcome to Buildabizonline. In this short video, you'll see how the system works, what happens after you join, and how the free starter funnel helps you begin building an email list step by step. Buildabizonline was created to keep online marketing simple and structured. Instead of information overload, you're guided through clear actions in the right order, so you always know what to do next. After you create your free account and log in, you arrive inside the members area. This is your main dashboard, where everything is organized for you. You'll see simple steps to follow, along with short explanations that help you understand how each part fits together. There's no pressure to rush. You can move at your own pace. One of the first tools you'll be introduced to is the free starter funnel. This funnel is already set up and ready to use. It includes a capture page and automated follow-up emails designed to help you start building an email list, even if you've never done this before. As people visit your link and join, the system automatically stores their email addresses and sends follow-up messages in the background, even while you're offline. You're guided step by step, so you're never left guessing what to do next. Each action builds on the one before it, helping you create a solid foundation. You can start for free, learn as you go, and build confidence without feeling overwhelmed. If you're ready to see how it works for yourself, create your free account and take a look inside. Everything is laid out clearly, step by step. We'll see you on the inside.